Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get Leonardo in Raid Shadow Legends. If you're aiming to get Leonardo in Raid Shadow, his acquisition is a bit simpler than some of the other turtles. Unlike Raphael or Michelangelo, who are tied to limited events or fragment summons, Leonardo can only be obtained through shard summoning. Here's a Shadowkin legendary champion, so you'll want to focus on the shards that can drop legendary champions Ancient, Void, Primal, or Sacred shards. The higher the rarity of the shard you use, the better your chances of landing a legendary, and that includes Leonardo. Just keep in mind, summoning is entirely chance based, so patience is key. If you're actively summoning during events or using extra shards from daily rewards, your odds improve slightly. But overall, shard summoning is the only way to get Leonardo in the game, so make sure to prioritize legendary capable shards when hunting him. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.